So when I or Miraji, she is creating an article, she can create a fresh article and she can contribute whatever 4, 6, 10 lines, whatever she know, give the right references and save that article. Then maybe somebody like Shiju or myself or anybody from your team will open the article. If I have a photograph related to that article, I will add the photograph. So this is the way we can add as much as information in the particular article, so that ultimately at the end of say a particular period, it may be 1 month, it may be 6 months, it may be some years also, we can see that the articles take a very good shape. And remember, like any article cannot be complete in any sense as per the Wikipedia. To give an example, like if I am writing an article say on Sachin Tendulkar, so what it will come normally, that Sachin is a great cricketer, he is a very good batsman, he has contributed as a bowler, he is a very good fielder, blah 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 thing. Statistics will show that he has completed 99 centuries, but once he makes his 100th century, somebody has to do update that 100th century. He might till retirement can make say 105 or 110 centuries. So my point is that whenever the any article which has been created in Wikipedia never becomes a complete article. There is always scope for improvement, addition in Wikipedia. That is why it is a very interesting kind of concept where we need people to contribute as per the latest affairs also. Like take an example of Anna Hazare. Anna Hazare had done Anshan and by sitting in Jantar Mantar and lot of media attention on Janna Lokpal bill. So all things are there on the Wikipedia article. Assume that in the winter session there is nothing happened regarding the Janna Lokpal bill. Assume that. What will happen? It might happen that again he will do another Anshan and all that, or whatever thing. Or if we get Janna Lokpal bill, so accordingly that has to be updated in the Anna Hazare article as well. So the point is that current affairs makes lot of impact on the changes or additions of the Wikipedia articles. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I will explain you maybe in a later stage. I thought that, but see, there is a separate project called as Wikimedia Commons, which is a repository of Wikipedia where we can contribute the photographs. The thing is that when we are contributing the photograph, we are kind of giving the photographs to Wikipedia, and those can be used as per the user's requirement. Like there are 5-6 options about the copyright, like those can be used for non-commercial purpose and all that, and those photographs can be linked to a particular article, and so it can be seen in the article. So there is a methodology how to contribute by photographs in the article. Okay, yeah. We are creating entirely fresh article. Yeah. And I know about that article only 2-3 sentences. Yeah. No, no, no. First of all, no, no. This is a very good question, and this is a big, I would say, an interesting misconception. Wikipedia is a real thing. It's a real time thing. So once you add something, once you save something, it's a real time save. So it is not something that it goes to some repository, then somebody will come with his own time, moderate it and then put in the mainstream. No, there is nothing like that. So that is why we normally say that is a real update or real time update or a live update. So that is also actually makes people it's kind of very interesting thing that when we are doing something live, we have to be really careful. Right, like to give an example, mine example, yesterday I was been called by IBN Lokmat. So they called me in the evening and they said that come, we want to take you an interview. So they sent a vehicle at 8 o'clock at my hotel. I went to IBM Lokmat studio and they took my interview for say 15 minutes and all that. Believe me, it was my first media interview and I was like shivering at that time, and because it was a live interview and no idea was given by media people that what the questions they are going to ask, and I had done a lot of preparation what to answer and all that. Maybe some of the people from you also must have seen that interview, but something live is a very very difficult thing. Like, you see, if offline interview is there, yes, if I speak something different, we can edit it, but live interview is equally difficult. This is a live thing. So whenever you are adding something, updating something, creating something or deleting something, again it's a live thing, live save. So you have to be a bit careful onto it, like as far as editing is concerned. Otherwise what will happen, it adds to the work of some other people, like we need to remove that matter which is not right or not as per the policy or procedures of Wikipedia and all that. Till this point I have not shown you the edit button. So but now it's time to go over there. So edit means now you can see that there is no edit button in this particular article. What can be the reason? Huh? No, it is not like that. I told you that no, nothing, never the article can be a complete article. I want to make sure that people are alive. That is why I asked this question. Come on. I know that. Okay, awake. Yeah, you can see that. Can you see edit anywhere over here? No, there is no edit button. So how you are saying that Wikipedia is editable? Huh? Yeah, you find it out. There is no edit button. Okay, everybody give up? No, I'll tell you the reason. Normally what happens, there are three buttons. One is Vacha, that is read. One is Itihas Paha, that is view history. And here normally the edit button is there. Remember, edit button is always on the top. You have to be very clear on it. But you can see that there is a tab which has come. हे पान सुरक्षित आहे. तुम्ही याचा स्रोत पाहू शकता. So this is a page which has been reserved. This has been सुरक्षित किया गया page है because of this is a main article of Marathi. So we expect that lot of research and activity has happened on this article, and any kind of people who are having the login or not having the login should not misconduct on this article. That is why this particular page is protected. Listen, I am coming to that. But the thing is that 99.9% this is a right article as far as the content is concerned. So that is why there are very few articles.
त्याच्यावर आंदोलन होते आणि झालेले आहेत. तर त्याच्यामुळे याच्यामध्ये दुरुस्त्या व्हायला पाहिजे. दुरुस्त्या आवश्यक आहे. वेळगोळाचा जो लेख आहे त्याच्या आधीचा सुद्धा सोर्स मराठीचा सापडलेला आहे.
Yeah, so that is to be added. So what we do that, see, I told you the primary reason that any newcomer or the person who doesn't know about Wikipedia, he or she should not, in Marathi word we say as a utpat, he should not make kind of mess in the particular article. That is why it is protected. There are kind of access which the administrator can give to a particular people, and those people can update the information in SciSoap. Those are being given Prachalak. Prashasik is on the top of that. Yeah, so Abhay Nathu is Prashasak, we some are people are administrators. So the access has been given to, yeah, yeah. So yeah, so the option, yeah. So the thing is that if he want to suggest certain changes and he want to communicate to the right people, there is a button called as a Charcha. So in the so that is in English it is called as a discussion page, where now you can see a Sampadan button. Okay, so what I will do on behalf of him and with her login, I am going to add the required thing. Okay, now, so I don't know, but what I will do, it normally becomes very difficult for me to type in the this particular these things. So what I will do, I will move to Epic browser. See, there is a phonetic browser, or otherwise what we can do, we can simply no, I am not comfortable, that is why I am saying. Yeah, so I am going to Google Transliterate, and where I can go and type something. So माझ्या माहिती प्रमाणे कोंकणी मराठीची बोली भाषा नाही. काय? ओके, तिला मराठीच्या बरोबरीने does everybody gets that I did some phonetic typing? It is not very difficult. You have to just type whatever we say, what we pronounce and all that, and it gets converted from Roman script to the required language. तरी ते दुरुस्त करावे. ठीक है? We added one line. No, we are editing in the same article, madam. See, I will show you that. See, now what I am doing, I am just copying the text from Google Transliteration. I am going to the main, see, Marathi Bhasha. I am in the same article. In that, I am in the discussion page, that is on Charcha. So, I am going to paste it, and I will save it. So, if you want to track the changes on this particular page, there is a button, we can click this. So, it says that tracking the changes happening on this. If it is a minor change, we can click on this. There is a button called as a Jhalak Paha, that is review what you have written. This is always important that what we write, we need to review. So, it has come over here, and then we have to save. See, I'll tell you the other reason of that also. Many people, what they do whenever they edit the article, like they add 2 words or 1 line, they save. Add 2 words, 1 line to save. In the world of load shedding and all that, I completely agree that whatever the typing, it is, first of all, it is very difficult. So we have to keep on saving the things. But what happens, it adds to the number of edits unnecessary. Okay, so it is better that you type some sizable thing. Now sizable is a very generic word, maybe a 4 lines, 8 lines, 10 lines, a complete article or 1 para and all that, whatever is comfortable. Try to see the preview and try to add the things. So it is better that write something and then save it. So Jatan Kara means save. So now this has come on a Charcha page. ठीक है? So now this has, so somebody from admin definitely will work on that and make the changes in the article. So, but what I was saying is that there are very few articles which are being protected. All articles are, believe me, those are open articles. Okay, so don't worry about that. Now let's see some very kind of article about, tell some interesting topic. Anybody? Huh? Panhalgarh, okay. Okay, so this is what Panhalgarh is written in Devanagari script. So what I will do, see, this is a kind of somewhat difficult these things. So what I am going to do, Epic browser also supports phonetic typing. Okay, so I am now searching the same thing in Marathi Wikipedia in the Epic browser. So the searching is similar. In the search box, we have to just put the required page and you have to search it. We will get in just a seconds. We can edit without the login also. So there is no compulsion that editing kind of cannot be done without login. But the thing is that when you save a particular thing, your IP address comes over there. And it is always advisable that you create your identity and edit, because it becomes easy for other people to contribute and to help you. And it is applicable in both ways, positive and negative. Like if a person is having some different views which I do not agree, then I can fight with that person on a Charcha page and kind of improve. And this fight is for betterment of an article. So you have to keep that thing in mind. So by this time this article has come. So this is a Panhalgarh article which has come. So you can see that it is IP address. Yeah. No, it isn't. Actually, what happens that if we are editing, or see, if some person is making lot of issues through the IP address, which is not good for Wikipedia, then we need to block that IP as well. No. But we can fetch that IP from Google also. Like if I save something through my IP address, I can just go to Google, put that IP, we can get at least the city name where from this has been done. So, but normally we suggest that people should use their user login to contribute. So I was saying that this is a kind of article. You can see that some basic information is there. You can see the photograph, what I was mentioning. Like, yes, for Panhalgarh, we can certainly have a photograph, which is there. Some basic information. So info box is there, some information has been put over there, some other photographs, where it is located, history of Panhalgarh, how to go, what things we need to see over there, and other things. Now you can see that there are some kind of columns which are unfilled. So here some information is required. So that is what the point I was saying, that contributing by other people. So if you know that where to stay at on the Panhalgarh, now you can see that you can edit from here also, or you can edit from top also. Okay, then some of the photographs of Panhalgarh, those are also updated in the what we call as a photo gallery. There are many photographs which are been updated by people. It is very interesting, and some sandarbha, that is references are been given, like from which all books this particular information has been filled. Then I was talking about Sacha. Okay, actually I was talking about Mumbai Sacha. Here there is a